One night we were out fishing and shrimping, and a catfish pulled our rod into the water. 10 minutes later, we hook a catfish and pull it up, but we really don't hook a catfish, we hook line with the catfish. And that line just happens to have our rod on it. And then we net the catfish, the line snaps. A month later, we're fishing out at the same spot again in the river, and this time we feel like we have something on, we pull it up, and it's the rod. A month later. Still working good. Hopefully you enjoy this story and slideshow. Has this ever happened to you? And this story's true.